AWS Backup helps you manage data backups across multiple data services. Backup simplifies the process of protecting your data across various AWS services. It provides a centralized and automated solution for backup and recovery. With AWS Backup, you can easily configure and manage backup policies for services like Amazon EBS, Amazon RDS, Amazon Dynamod, and others. It enables you to create backup plans, set retention periods, and schedule backups according to your desired policies. AWS Backup takes care of the underlying infrastructure and ensures data durability by storing backups across multiple availability zones. It also offers features like cross-region replication and point-in-time recovery. AWS Backup streamlines your backup operations, reduces the risk of data loss, and simplifies the recovery process for your AWS resources.